Hello friends, welcome to your new recipe in Kalishuna channel. I am using my hands just in the unique Bengali way for eating kachur shak with a dash of lemon. This kachur shak is taken with steamed white rice, plain white rice. This is exactly how with your hands you press the lemon and then mix rice and kachur shak and take it. This is cooked during the rainy seasons. It comes in different colors, the reddish black color or the green color. You can take any of them. They are called Arum in English or the taro leaves. So you can use any color you want to. This is how we eat the kochu shak. It's a delicacy and a unique Bengali cuisine. So it's cooked with hilsha heads, especially during the rainy season when hilsha fish is found in plenty. This is how I enjoyed my kochu shak. Look how they look. That is the kochu shak and the hilsha head. Now let's start without much further ado. We cut the kochu shak after taking out the outer skin into small pieces like this, and we boil them till they become soft. Usually they stain any clothing or anything that comes in contact with them due to the excess amount of iron contained in them. So be careful when you handle them. You must handle them carefully so that they do not stain your clothing. Your fingers will be stained black when you cut kochusha. So you have to apply a little bit of mustard oil while cutting them. The cutting of kochusha will be given in a short later on. This is how we use water for boiling the kochu shak. I am just using the outer case of the pressure cooker and not fitting the lid. You can use any pot you want to. There it's becoming softened after the water starts boiling. So you can see the water has started boiling. This recipe uses very little ingredients. Only we use black nigella and green chilies for tempering, and salt and turmeric. No other spices have been used. I am frying the hilsha head in mustard oil. This hilsha head has been longitudinally slit. You can do it in any way you want to. Fry it well on both sides so that the color changes to golden brown, and then only in the same oil we'll use tempering for cooking the kochu shak. I'm taking out the hilsha heads now. They are cooked very well on both sides. If you want to see such easy recipes which do not use very much ingredients and are cooked very easily, do subscribe to my channel Kalishona and keep watching. I have many such recipes which are cooked very easily in your home. Now I am adding, after tempering the oil with nigella and green chilies, I am adding the kochu shak or the taro plant strained after straining the water. They itself contain a lot of water. The plant is watery, and you can see the water it is releasing is black or dark in color. That is because of the excess iron contained in them. The aim, I am adding the fish heads, and the aim is to dry up all the water in slow fire and in slow heat so that taro leaves do not get burned. These are the taro stems and small leaves. Later on, I'll give you another recipe about the taro leaves. So I'm covering the fish heads with the taro plant and allowing them to cook slowly over low heat by covering them. You can see how I'm covering them with the kochu shak. So cover it and allow to cook in slow heat. Add salt and a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is not used in great quantity in this recipe. The only thing we have used, or the spices we have used, is salt and turmeric along with tempering of nigella and green chilies. If To my new friends, please do subscribe and comment, share and like so that I know your valuable opinions. Allow me to know from you in your comments what changes or what improvements I should bring to my videos. I do eagerly hope for your comments. And also to my old friends who are watching this recipe, thank you for watching till the end. Now it has started boiling. The whole recipe is drying up now. You can see a lot of water has dried up. Do not break the fish heads. They will itself soften up and mix with it. Because if you break up the ilsha fish head, it contains very small bones. So the whole thing will become very bony. That is why I am softly turning the kochu shak, and I have added a dash of sugar. Yes, you add a little bit of sugar for increasing the taste and allowing the rest of the water to dry up like this. You can see the whole thing has become a mass and it's released from the sides of the container. So from the wok sides of the wok, you can just turn it up like this. You can fold it inward like this, and then you know your kochu shak is done. So enjoy it with white rice, plain white steamed rice on a rainy day with the hilsha head, and cook the hilsha fishes by seeing my recipes. I have a lot of hilsha recipes in my channel. I'm taking out the kochu shak in a nice bowl for serving. Enjoy Ilish Macher kochu shak, and do remember to like, share and comment and subscribe, of course. Thank you. Enjoy your new recipe and let me know.